video or if I'm continuing it. But behind me there is a, I had said it's a Bill Head Cam Big Turbo STI tuned on 91 pump gas, not on 85. We're about to get a little run in. For those of you guys that might be new to the channel or don't know who I am, my name is Jay. This is my 2015 infiniti Q50. Simple mods, just full exhaust 85 with stock headers. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So what are your predictions, Panda?
I think he's gonna beat you.
I think so too.
But
I think he said that his last dyno he made 380 horsepower, and I made 321. So there's obviously a disadvantage there, but it's all for fun. I ain't tripping. It's pretty hop in the back. It's all-wheel drive, bro. What the?
1, 2, 3.
Neck to neck.
Sheesh.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
I told you. It's not bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna get gapped. Damn. Big turbo
You're
STI.
about to get gapped?
Yeah, I thought so, honestly.
Wait, not bad, not bad. Not bad for exhausting 85Q with my 300-pound ass in here.
That's crazy. Let's get probably one more. I'll count this one.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Oh shit! Let's go!
Not bad, bro, for a Q. I had to let go though. He probably would have top ended me. And now we put it back in standard and cruise home like we're in the grandma car. That's the best part. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. There you guys have it. Exhaust only, 85. Q50 versus a big turbo.
Full weight Q50.
Yeah, full weight. So what's done to that car you said?
He's full bolt on. I think it's built head. It's cam. He told me it's cam. And 91 too.
That's
full bolt. No, upgraded turbo too. Full bolt on, upgraded turbo, built head. 91 setup.
Not bad, bro. Not bad for NA BQ Q50. The shits are heavy, bro. But like I said, I believe he's still on 291, right?
Yeah.
He said he's on 91, so once he gets on 85, obviously,
He said
it's a turbo car. It's just gonna make quite a bit more power.
He said I think he's gonna go back in August to get his retune for 85.
Nonetheless, good runs, bro. All fun runs. That's what it's all about. Have some fun. This car's moving, guys. Shout out once again to my tuner, E-Class Tunes. If you guys need any type of tuning, you guys already know who to hit up. Hit me up. I'll try to get you guys a small little JTC33 discount. No promises, but if you go through me, I'll try to help you guys out. Alright, guys. Pick this up when I pick it up. What's up, YouTube? Picking up the camera. I want to say like 2 or 3 nights after the last clip you guys just saw. Honestly, this past couple of days I've been enjoying this car, driving it, doing a couple pulls here and there, and let me tell you guys, the car feels amazing. You can definitely feel like a difference with the full exhaust of the 85 compared to when it was 291 on the muffler duty setup. Great investment. I definitely recommend it for you 3.7 guys out there. Don't get me wrong, it's not gonna make the car super fast, but it's definitely pretty quick for what it is, I would say. I mean, you guys seen from the last clip, I kept up with the big turbo STI, so that's pretty impressive to me. But anyways, for this part of the video, I'm pretty much gonna do like a little night POV drive, do a couple of pulls just so you guys can see the car moving, and for me to have some fun, to be honest. So let's get right into this part of the video. Freeway. Let's try a little 4-year-old. So I don't know if I told you guys, or if you guys could tell from the last video and now this video, I feel like ever since I added those other headers, they gave this car a different tone. I don't know why. I mean, the header came off of a G37, which is essentially the same motor. Oh, this was where we ended. What the hell? Damn. Anyways, so it should sound the same, but it does sound a little bit different. Alright guys, so this car's been feeling really good off a 4-year-old, so I do want to try one more. Yeah, that's what they want to tell. This car should not be this fast. This car should not be moving like this. It's only exhaust 85, bro. This thing is moving nice. Not to be like those whole weirdos that like praise their tuner, but bro, my tuner got down on this fucking tune. Oh my gosh, I love this car. This car should not be this fast, bro. It's an NA boat. Damn, this thing feels really good, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna chill out now. I need to go pump some corn. I just wanted to bring you guys along on this little, I guess you can say not POV drive and show you guys more of how the car was moving. And boy, am I happy with the car. I didn't want to sell it. I still kind of do. Don't get me wrong. I kind of want to upgrade to something else. But I am definitely not in a rush anymore. I never really was in a rush, but I'm definitely going to take my time, find the right car. And for now, I'm going to be enjoying this car. I'll probably do a couple more things before I do get rid of it. But like I said, I am in no rush whatsoever. I'm still going to enjoy this car. I still want to test it out versus other cars, see how good this thing does. Even though it's not my fast car, it's not my race car, I did not build this car to race whatsoever. It's just a car that's literally my daily driver. It's comfortable, it looks good. And that's pretty much it. But I am curious on how this thing would do against like a Scat Pack or like a Mustang, like, you know, like those pretty much those sports cars that you see kind of on a daily on the road. I am curious to see how this thing holds up. So like I said, it is my daily driver, so I'm sure I'm going to be running into those guys pretty soon, like randomly on the street. So I'm going to start carrying my GoPro in this car instead of my Z whenever I drive it, at least. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are all as impressed as I am with this car. Like I said, I shouldn't have been near that STI. I thought I was going to get gapped personally, but yeah. The first run though, he did like come around me pretty hard, but besides that, things were pretty close. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a big favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alert whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.